I think I'm a little bit more awake. Anyways, the cost of making rings is $20 design in set fees, or sometimes they say a one-time fee. The cost of making ring is $20 one-time fee, the same thing as set fees, okay? And $5 per ring. You are planning to sell $30 for 3 rings and $6 for 60 rings. Write a linear equation for the cost of making the ring. Okay, here's the cost, the design fee, and the ring fee. Those are the cost right here. So write an equation, y equals to 5x plus 20. So define each variable. Y equals to the cost. X equals to the number of rings. Okay. Find the rate of change for selling the ring and write a linear equation in point-slope form, then in slope-intercept form. Okay, find the rate of change for selling the ring. So we're selling the ring. Rate of change is slope y, which is m. Rate of change is m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, $30 for 3 rings. So when you're doing that, $30 for 3 rings is 3 rings for $30. Remember y, this is x1, y1. Y is always, if you're graphing, y is the dollar amount, x is whatever number. Okay? So, and then 6 rings for $60. Okay? So you get x2, y2. So m equals y2, which is 60, minus y1, 30, all over x2, which is 6, minus 3. M equals to 30 over 3. M equals to $10. These are $30, 60, $30, and these are the number of rings. Okay? These are rings, you see? So $10 for each ring. Find the rate of change for selling the rings. So the rate of change is $10 per ring. So box that. And then write a linear equation in slope-intercept form, in point-slope form. So point-slope form, that's y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. There's the point and there's the slope. Y minus y1, which is 30. Rate of change is 10. And then x minus x1. X minus x1 is 3. So you get y minus 30 equals to 10x minus 30. Add 30. Add 30. Y equals to 10x plus 0. You don't have to do the plus 0 though. That's your answer. So this is for selling. How much you're gonna make. You're gonna sell each ring for $10 each, basically. Well, it makes sense. 30 for 3, 6 for 60, right? No, same thing here. Luis is trying to figure out which company is the cheaper for t-shirt. Man It All sells $12 for 3 t-shirts and $8 for 8 t-shirts for $17. While Cool It charges $4 per t-shirt. That's easy. I'll write a linear equation for cool it. Label the variable. That means define the variable. Same thing, okay? Define the variable. Right, y equals, for cool it, 4x. That's an equation for it. That's a linear equation. Label the variables. X equals to the number of t-shirt. And y is the cost. Okay. Okay. Find the rate of change for man et al. Okay, man et al. Is 3 for $12 and 8 for $17. And then, okay, find the rate of change. Rate of change is m equals y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so 17 minus 12. No, that's a horrible writing. Anyway, 17 minus 12 all over 8 minus 3. 5 over 5. Oh. These are dollars. $5 per t-shirt. $5 for 5 t-shirts, or $1 for 1 t-shirt. Rate of change is $1 for 1 t-shirt. You don't have to put the denominator of 1 though. Okay, so then they want it in point slope form. That is y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Y minus y1, which is 12, equals to m, which is 1, parentheses x minus x1. Oh, no, x1 is 3, right? Distribute. So y minus 12 equals to 1x, or just x, minus 3, add 12, you get y equals to x plus 9. So basically 1 t-shirt, but there's a entrance fee of $9 or something, $1 per t-shirt. Something like that, okay? Graph the linear equation for problem B and A. Oh, I should put problem B and A. Problem A and B. Oh, I forgot. A and B. See? Problem A and B. Typo. Hope you guys caught it. This will be on your test tomorrow. It's worth 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 points. Okay. Before I would graph this, I would find where they intersect. Okay, compare the cool it graph and the man it all graph. Okay, I would find the break even point. I would use substitution. I would substitute 4x into where that is. So I got 4x equals to x plus 9 minus x. Get 3x equals to 9. Divide by 3. X equals to 3. Okay, they intersect. X equals to 3. Then y equals 2. If y equals to 4x, from here, x is 3 here. Y then equals to 12. So, where they meet is 312. Oh, I can probably number it by 1 then. Where they meet is at 312. The solution is 312. 3 is for X t-shirts, cost of $12. Right here. That's how okay. So I'm going to number it by 1. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. The other one is same thing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Okay. All right, let's see. The first graph is y equals to 4x. The rate of change here, the y-intercept is 0, 0. Okay, you start out at 0, 0, which is right here. I'll do it in blue. Oh, we'll do it in green. Right there. Uh-oh. Right there. Okay, and then you go up 4 over 1. 4 over 1. Okay, and you keep doing that. Run out of room. Uh-oh, I won't do that. Well, it may work. And then the other one is start out at 9. Right here, 0, 9, y-intercept. You go up 1 over 1. Like that. So the solution, look, is 312. Okay, explain to your family and friend which company should buy their t-shirt from based on how many t-shirts they want. Show examples to explain. Okay. So you would explain that starting if they wanted 3 t-shirts, we'll start with the break-even point. If your family and friends wanted 3 t-shirts, use some math examples, okay? 3 t-shirts, it does not matter who they choose. Man it and cool it. Man it and cool it? Yeah. Both charge $12. But, okay, you can make a table here. Put 3 for cool it. Yeah, I would make a table. Oh, look, I forgot to. My gosh, if you do this on your test, you're going to get like a 2 or 1. We forgot to put number of t-shirt, cost, man it, and cool it. So you would show some math here because it says show some example to explain. Okay, so if you make a table, cool and man, and this is number shirt, three t-shirt, cool will charge you, cool is 4x, man is x plus 9, 4 times 3 is $12, or 3 plus 9 is also $12. So notice they charge the same at 3 t-shirts. Now if you want less than 3 t-shirts, let's say you want 1 t-shirt. 1 t-shirt, cool would do 4 times 1, which is only $4. They'll only charge $4. Or man will charge 1 plus $9, which is $10. So anything less than 3, you would use cool it, as you can see. Anything more than 3, let's say show 5. Let's say show, yeah, let's show 5. 5 is an easy number, right? 5 t-shirt, $4 for each t-shirt, which times 5, which is $20. 5 plus the other one, 5 plus 9 equals to only $14. So obviously anything more than 3, you show someone your chart and explain that. If they want less than 3 t-shirt, they should shop at Cool It. And more than 3, they should shop at Man It. C table for the math work. You need to put that down. Alright, you need to explain all this and make sure you have a table to explain that. Okay, this one. Oh yes, love this one, right? Simplify the following expression to the nearest tenth. Plot them on the number line. Oh, on yours I gave you a number line. Anyways, 10 is, with no calculators now, is between 9 and 16. So it's between 3 and 4. So your answer can be possibly 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7. Closer to 9 though. So let's stop closer to 9. So it's probably 3.1 or 3.2. Those two. So 3.1 times 3.1. 133916. Okay, a little bit less. So it's 30.39 away. 3.2. 4, 6, 6, 9. Right? Yep. 4, 12. Oh, it's closer to. Okay, it's closer to that one. Put it on a number line. Okay. So your answer to 10, the square root of 10, is 3.2. It's about that to the nearest tenth. Okay? This is your answer. So the square root of 10 is, I think I put a 0 here for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? Something like that. So 3.2 is 1, 2, 3, 3. Yeah, right there. And then you put the square root of 10. okay, on the number line. And negative square root of 9 is negative 3, oh, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 right here. That's the square root, negative square root of 9. And this one here is between 36 and 49, right? Closer, obviously, I think, to 49. So your answer is between 6 and 7. So 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8, 6.9. So all that is closer to 7, so I'm going to choose these two and see what happens. 6.7 times, so I'm not sure what my answer is. I'm going to leave my answer here to the square root of 45, okay? 6.7 times 6.7, 49, carry 4, 42, 46. 42, carry 4, 40. 9, 8, 4, 4. Oh, that's so close. Look, that's very close to 45, okay? That's a good guess. Saves me a lot of work. Still lower, so I'm going to try 6.8. 64, carry to 6, 48, 54, 48, carry 4, 36, 40. Okay, that's 4, 12, carry 1. Oh, too much. It's 1 over. So square root of 45 is about 6.7. This answer. Okay? 6.7, here's 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's 7. 6.7 is closer to 7, so we'll put it here. That is the square root of 45. Okay, we got our 3 points. Graph. Oh gosh, this will be on there. Definitely on there, okay? 100%. Make a table and graph the following equation when the range is this. Range is y. So here's x, here's y. So they're giving you all the range, -5, 1, give yourself room to show work. 0, 0 doesn't require much work. And 5, okay? So the range of 5. So you got your equation. This one here. So you do x plus 2 equals to absolute value of y. So in place of y, you put this -5 in there. This here, -5, absolute value equals to x plus 2. Absolute value of -5 is 5, equals to x plus 2. You minus 2, x is equal to 3. So your ordered pair is 3, 5, -5. This 3 here and this -5 there. Okay, next one. X plus 2 equals to absolute value of y. X plus 2 equals to the absolute value of 1. Absolute value of 1 is 1 equals to x plus 2. Minus 2 minus 2x is equal to -1. So your ordered pair here is -1, 1. This and this. Next one is 0. Okay. X plus 2 equals absolute value of y. Y, you put in 0. Absolute value of 0. X plus 2 equals absolute value of 0, 0. X plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Then x equals to -2. So your ordered pair then is -2, 0. 2, 0. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 x plus 2 equals to absolute value y. X plus 2 equals to positive 5, absolute value of positive 5 is 5 equals to x plus 2 minus 2. X then equals to 3. 3 and 5 is your answer here. Based on the tables, not a function because look, the domain of 3 repeats. So somewhere here the vertical line should cost 2 points. 3, negative 5, here it is. Let's do this in red. And negative 1, 1. Negative 2, 0. 3, 5. Connect the dots. Should be a V, sideway V. Not a function because if you do a vertical line test, it passes 2 points. It's not a function. Is a graph a function or not? Not a function. Show a vertical line in there, please, on your test tomorrow, because the vertical line passes 2 dots on the graph. The graph is this V shape right here. That's the graph, okay? Okay, so here's the same thing, you guys. State if it's a function or not using domain and range, okay? Here's the range of this. Range, remember, is y. Y, x. So the range is negative 10. Leave some room, 0, 5, and then the 10. Okay, and you do it the same way as you do the other one. You'll see if it's, and B is the same thing. Make sure you do this. Okay, 4 friends. Oh, this one's a good test question. Okay, and I believe I did all the other ones right in class today. So my last one is this one. 4 friends are collecting canned goods for charity. Okay. Ron collects 8 more than twice as many cans. Ron, we're talking about Ron here, collects 8 more than twice as many cans. Ron collects 8 more than, so plus 8, twice, 2 times as many cans as who? Jasmine. Okay, so Ron is equal to 2 times Jasmine plus 8 Barry collects, so the next person is Barry. Collects half as many cans as Ron. Half is always times as many cans as Ron. Okay, Alice collects 3 less cans than Barry. Okay, so Barry minus 3, 3 less than. How many cans did each person collect of all 4? So who's the 4th person here we haven't mentioned? Jasmine. Jasmine then is the X. How many cans does each person collect for all 4 friends? Collect a total of 103. So it goes to 103. Okay, so you get X here. So this is 2x plus 8. This is 1/2 times 2x plus 8, because that's Ron. And then Barry, okay, let's distribute to find out what Barry is. X plus 4 is Barry. So x plus 4 is for Barry minus this 3. So basically x plus 1. So this one is simplified to x plus 1. Okay, so we need to use this, and that. Okay, 2x plus 8, x plus 4, and x plus 1. And then, oh gosh, okay, x plus 1, and then don't forget this x right there, plus that x equals to 103 cans. So we get 3x, 4x, 5x plus 8, 12, 13 equals to 103 minus 13, 5x equals to 90, divide by 5, goes in 1, 4, 18, x equals to 18 cans. So if Jasmine collects 18 cans, x belongs to Jasmine. Okay, we can find the rest. Jasmine collected 18 cans. Therefore, 2, that means 4 plus 8, then Ron collects 12. Ron collected it's 18. Jasmine collected 18. That's 36 plus 8 is 44, right? Yeah, Ron collected 44. Cans. Okay, now erase the word Ron and put 44 there. Half of 44 is 22. Barry collected 22 cans. Okay, if Barry collected 22 cans, let's erase the word Barry. Put 22 there, minus 3. Alice collected not 19 cans. And that's it. Okay, that's how we get it. And that's the end of the line, and I think we got all the other ones. Good luck on tomorrow's test. These will be on there. I think I've gone over everything I possibly